Hey guys, out here on the last day, fingers crossed, should be the last day of this house demo. Just got a little section there in the foundation to get hauled out of here. I got the shed back here, and then just clean up, pile up the concrete. Hopefully we're out of here today. Stick around. Got another load on. It's probably one load with all that, and then we start cleaning up all the little stuff. Off to the dump. All right, back again. This will be load number 13. Let's get at it. Looks like I got more rain coming in. All the house is gone. Let's get this bit of concrete out of here. It will be a wrap on this one. Yep. We're gonna have to come back and get another load. That's too much weight.